Imagine stepping outside to your backyard and finding a peaceful, beautifully designed retreat in the very corner, your own small garden paradise. In this video, we'll explore inspiring garden design ideas that make the most of limited space while transforming your backyard into a cozy oasis. Whether you're working with a compact patch or an awkward corner, this journey is packed with home decor creativity just for you. Let's begin by identifying the perfect corner in your backyard for a small garden. Look for a spot that receives ample sunlight and feels slightly underused. This area holds untapped potential for garden design ideas that can completely shift your outdoor living experience and introduce new layers of home decor. Start with the ground. Consider installing stone pavers, gravel, or reclaimed wood planks to define the base of your small garden. A well-planned foundation elevates any backyard space and supports thoughtful home decor choices that reflect your style and garden design ideas. Vertical gardening is a game changer for small gardens. Installing trellises, hanging planters, or a green wall allows you to grow upwards instead of outwards. This clever use of vertical space boosts the charm of your backyard while infusing modern home decor appeal. Don't overlook the power of color. From brightly painted pots to flower selections with vibrant blooms, color injects life into your garden design ideas. This splash of color enlivens a dull backyard corner and adds personality to your small garden home decor. To add dimension to your small garden, try layering. Plant taller items in the back and shorter ones in front to create a sense of depth. These garden design ideas not only expand your backyard visually, but also enhance the appeal of your home decor setup. Water features work wonders, even in small spaces. A tabletop fountain or a small pond brings in the soothing sounds of nature. It adds a luxurious touch to your backyard and elevates the serenity of your small garden home decor. Try adding a decorative screen or bamboo divider for privacy. This structure frames your small garden area and creates a cozy corner that feels secluded within the backyard. It's a functional addition that doubles as modern home decor and garden design brilliance. Add a bird bath or bird feeder to attract nature into your space. Watching birds flutter in your small garden brings life and motion to your backyard. It's a peaceful interaction between garden design ideas and nature-loving home decor. Design pathways with stepping stones or crushed gravel. This gives your backyard a structured flow and makes navigating your small garden easier. These garden design ideas add a sense of order and elegance that complements any home decor style. Install rain chains or decorative gutters for practical beauty. These features manage water flow while also becoming part of your visual garden design ideas. It's a smart fusion of eco-conscious thinking and artful home decor for your backyard. Add personality with DIY crafts like painted stones, handmade garden signs, or macrame plant hangers. These personal touches make your small garden more than just a backyard space. They express who you are through meaningful home decor and creative garden design ideas. Make space for relaxation with a hammock or swing chair if your backyard allows. Tucked into your small garden, it becomes a peaceful retreat. These inviting garden design ideas connect outdoor lounging with serene home decor vibes. Play with shadows by placing perforated metal lanterns or trellises that cast beautiful shapes when lit. This visual interplay adds depth to your small garden and makes your backyard an immersive experience that blends artful home decor and expressive garden design ideas. Celebrate the changing seasons by rotating flowers, pillows, or light decorations. Let your small garden evolve with time and keep your backyard fresh. These fluid garden design ideas make your home decor responsive, alive, and always in tune with nature. As we close, remember, your backyard's smallest corner holds unlimited potential. With the right garden design ideas, even the tiniest small garden becomes a retreat, a canvas, and a story. Let your home decor flow from indoors to out, and enjoy the peace of a backyard beautifully your own.